From the previous section, we learned that using the Tor browser is the easiest way to connect to the Tor network. Therefore, in this section, I'm going to teach you how to properly download and install the Tor browser on Windows, Linux, and OS X. I'm also going to teach you how to bypass censorship and download it, install it, and connect to the Tor network, even if it's blocked in your country or by your internet provider. We'll also cover the basics of using the Tor browser, how to change its settings for maximum security and anonymity, and I'm also going to cover some basic concepts about anonymity and privacy. Now, as mentioned earlier, using the Tor browser this way inside Windows, Linux, or OS X is not the best method. It's better to use it inside a more private operating system, and we will cover that later on in the course. But please do not skip this section, because in the next sections, we're still going to use the Tor browser. The only difference is we're going to use it inside a more private operating system. So everything that you're going to learn in here is still relevant. Using the Tor browser, how to configure it, how to bypass censorship, and all of that is still relevant for future sections, and you still need to learn it. Not only that, but this method, even though it's not the best, it's actually very handy because it's very easy and it still provides us basic protection and basic privacy. So if you just want a quick way to become a little bit more private, or if you want a quick method to access the darknet or onion services, then you can use this method. And by the end of the course, you'll learn a number of methods, and you can pick whatever suits you and suits your use.